Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-3950. It's a multifunctional printer, fast multifunctional duplex printer with ADF for home and office. You can print, copy and scan. The printer's main goal is to cut your ink cost. It uses large refillable tanks instead of cartridges. The bottles are mess-free. It uses heat-free technology, which means it uses less power and has fewer parts to replace and print the first page fast with no warm-up time. Print speed 15.5 print per minute for black and 8.5 print per minute for color. Print quality 4800 by 1200 dpi resolution. Key features: automatic double-sided printing, borderless printing, 250 sheets paper tray, scanner resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi optical resolution. Connectivity: it is wireless enabled and Wi-Fi enabled with Ethernet for wired connection, and also it uses USB cable connection. It works with PC, Macs, Apple AirPrint, mobile printing via Epson Smart Panel. If you print a lot and want to slash ink cost, it is perfect for homes, students, small offices needing a reliable all-in-one printer. Consider another option if you need lightning fast speed for a very busy office or require larger than A4. And also this printer got LCD screen, 6.1 centimeter LCD screen. The ink bottles, the number is 102. In terms of the ink tank system, black bottles can give you up to 15,100 pages and colored can give you up to 5,500 pages. So you can print auto two-sided, copy and scan, mobile printing, front paper input. So you load the paper from the front. Auto two-sided printing, Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out and see what is inside. These are the ink bottles. So you got two blacks, bigger ones. You got yellow, magenta, and cyan. Ink bottles included in the packaging. Information pack. The power cable. And see what it looks like. So the power cable goes to this port. The USB cable and the Ethernet cable goes to this port on this side. If you got any pepper jam, check for any pepper jam and debris at the back. So you hold this spring together. This is the ADF, automatic document feeder. This is the scanner, flatbed scanner. This printer, if you want to lift it up, open up this, then lift it up. If you want to close this, you need to push this hinge, push it inside to close it. This is the paper tray. This is the paper tray, the bottom gasket. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. Thank you very much.